lads. Do make this visit worthwhile.
Please, Duncan, don't.
Look at this, little Forrester. You're not frightened, are you?
Nein, er versteckt sich aus Spaß hinter seiner Mutter.
Lord Ramsay, please.
And you? Are you Lord Ethan's older sister?
I'm his twin, my lord.
Where's Sir Royland? He should be here. The man values pride more than honor. We'll do without him. And without King's Landing. I know you'd hoped Mira could help us, but I'm confident we've enough strength of our own. Your men stand ready to act if needed.
Our plan is a good one. It will work so long as everyone does their part.
Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Es geht los. Da ist er. Ramsay
Isn't
Snow.
this a lovely pile of timber?
Das wird übel.
Not the place I'd want to be if there was a fire.
Ironwood is near impervious to flame, my lord.
Is it?
May I introduce Lord Ramsay of House Bolton, son of Roose Bolton. Although a bastard, Lord Ramsay has the full authority of
Thank
the
you,
Warden
lad.
of the...
That's enough. Who is this little boy? Is he lost?
May I offer you bread and salt, Lord Ramsay?
I loathe bread and salt. Aren't you the little lord? Lord Whitehall told me you were young, but this... Look at you.
A token for the new Warden of the North.
Let me guess. Forrester Ironwood.
Carved by our most skilled craftsmen.
Ironwood. Doesn't look like much. Don't know what's so special about it.
No one can match our skill.
Is that so?
Ja,
Not
stimmt doch.
bad.
Ist gut, oder?
Lord Whitehill, can your lot do this?
Given enough time, we could learn...
Given enough time, you could do a great many things. But not this, apparently.
Okay.
It seems the Foresters have a talent for something after all.
Lord Ramsay, we have another gift we'd like to offer your father. There are several ironwood groves along the borders of our land, all producing tall, strong trees. We'd like to give your father 2 of these groves in tribute.
Give him. He is your warden. What's yours is already his. Look at that. More Foresters.
Lord Ramsay,
Come out where I can see you.
We really must focus on the business at hand.
Lord Ramsay, I understand you've come here for assurance of our fealty.
Fuck fealty. We came here for justice.
We'll get to your justice. First, let's see you bend the knee to my father, Lord Bolton, Warden of the North. Words are wind. Anyone can say they're loyal.
My lord.
Ha! That wasn't so hard now, was it? Here's the thing.
Ist mein Chef,
I don't
sein
care
Vater.
about your loyalty. And I care even less about a bunch of trees on some far-off hill. The Crown, however, wants what you've got. Whatever you've been supplying the Starks for centuries. Ships, shields, chamber pots. I expect you'll do the same for us. My father has promised as much to the king. You wouldn't want to make him a liar, would you? That wouldn't reflect well on me.
You needn't worry. Your father will have what he needs.
That's a good little lord.
You can't trust a Forrester. They murdered our men.
It was a Forrester squire who did it.
Yep.
One Whitehill soldier dead. One Bolton. Yet your man lived. Our men are dead. Yours lived. Then you welcomed me into your hall like a proper lord, hoping I wouldn't linger outside long enough to notice your pathetic little army. That sort of insolence from one of our loyal bannermen will not do. So I've come up with a solution that will benefit everyone. The Whitehills will be taking control of your Ironwood from this day forward.
What?
What? The Ironwood.
Geht's noch? Die Whitehills?
Then you'd better well find another fucking job.
You can't do that.
Why not? You know something the Whitehills don't? We
Ja.
are talking about trees. You grow them, you cut them down.
We have loyal craftsmen who make the finest weapons. The Whitehills have no such craftsmen. Do
Wie
you
man ja
want
gesehen
Ironwood
hat,
for the
ne?
next 5 years, or the next 50 generations?
The little lord does have a point.
Natürlich habe
We'll
ich
try
recht.
this. Lord Whitehill will take half of your Ironwood, and we'll see who fares better.
But my lord...
Half of something is better than the nothing you had before. To ensure there's no trouble, Lord Whitehill will install a garrison of 20 men within your walls.
At Ironrath. That we cannot abide. Ethan.
They'll help maintain the king's peace. And make sure there's no more trouble.
Whitehill men? Never.
It's already done.
Lass mich raten, der komische Blonde mit dem Topfschnitt ist auch dabei.
You have a man you trust?
My son, Griff.
Griff will lead the garrison.
You have no right. Whitehills have no place here.
Lads, do make this visit worthwhile.
Please, Duncan. Don't.
Look at this, little Forester. You're not frightened, are you?
Nein, er versteckt sich aus Spaß hinter seiner Mutter.
Lord Ramsay, please.
And you? Are you Lord Ethan's older sister?
I'm his twin, my lord.
Ah, twins. Well, like the Queen and her brother. Well, hopefully not just like the Queen and her brother.
Nicht lustig. Doch.
I never had a sister. Always wanted one.
Enough, Lord Snow.
I have an idea. You'll come with me. You can be my highborn ward.
Lord Ramsay, that's enough.
Do you like hunting?
Let her go.
She's quite pretty, your sister. We'd get along well.
My lord, if you want a hostage, take me.
I suppose you can stay. Aren't you the brave lord?
What have you done?
Alter.
But I don't want a brave lord. Far too much trouble.
Ethan! Ethan! No! No!
Even though you did bend the knee.
My son.
I think we've come to an understanding.
Lord Ethan,
I certainly feel better about all this.
what have you done?
However, the Foresters need to keep their end of the bargain. Take the boy as your ward.
No!
Kill him if they give you any trouble.
Brian!
Lovely meeting all of you. We'll have to do it again sometime.
Somebody help him!
Fetch the mace so quickly!
Hey,
You brought this on yourself.
Mother!
Stop!
Don't let them take me!
Let it go!
Stop them! Help me! Ryan, please! Let me go! Ryan! Do something!
Ethan? My son.
Ethan sacrificed himself for us all. He saved Talia's life. He'll be remembered as Ethan the Brave.
This house needs a leader. Lord Ethan named me Sentinel. I will lead this house.
My sister asked you to swear loyalty to her son, and you did it without flinching.
We can't let them hurt Ryan too. We have to stop them.
We do not stand alone. There are those who will fight for us. Those who hold House Forrester above all other loyalties. Those who will not stop until Ethan is avenged. Until Ryan is home again, our house will not fall. We will be ready.
Nothing comes without a cost, my lady. Are you prepared for what might happen?
Ich bin offline. Hey, Junge, Ethan ist auch offline. Sorry, der war fies. Alter Falter, ey. Ey, natürlich war es klar, dass wenn er kommt, dass wenn Ramsay Snow kommt, dass es übel wird. Aber dass er halt, ja, wieso sage ich überhaupt aber? Es war doch so klar, dass er irgendeine Kacke hier abzieht. Alter Falter, also jetzt haben wir die White Hills in Eisenrad, heißt's, glaube ich, die jetzt einen auf dicken Macker machen. Immerhin ein Deal rausgeschlagen, 50-50, dass wir nicht unser ganzes Holz kriegen, weil die so doof sind. Ja, Wahnsinn. Game of Thrones. Super Sache. Alter Schwede. Komm, ich mach mal hier das da weg. Da kann ich nicht mehr sehen hier. Ach, guck mal, es gibt auch noch einen Abspann. Ja, den gucken wir uns jetzt halt noch an. So, keine Musik. Soll ich was dazu singen? Nee, garantiert nicht. Okay, dann wird das, oder war das jetzt wohl eine kurze Folge. Es wird interessant. Okay, da ja jetzt den jüngsten Sohn, Brian oder so hieß der, glaube ich, den letzten Sohn, also den letzten Sohn, der nicht im Exil ist, als Mündel zu den White Hills gegeben hat, kann der nicht, der neue Lord von Eisenrad werden. Es liegt also dann an unserem Wächter, wie man ja gesehen hat. Und wir haben ja einen ernannt. Also so im Nachhinein bin ich mir nicht mehr so sicher, ob das eine gute Idee war, der zur Diplomatie oder zum Reden, zum Nachdenken aufgerufen hat, ob man das eine gute Idee war, ihn zum Wächter zu ernennen. Wie Ramsay ja gut bemerkt hat, wir haben nur eine kleine Armee. Ja. Aber mit dem anderen, Duncan heißt er, glaube ich. Ja, sorry, ich komme mit den Namen noch nicht so. Also der eher der Krieger ist, der Ausbilder, was weiß ich was, ob es da besser gelaufen wäre, wage ich zu bezweifeln. Jetzt mal ein bisschen so out of game oder so. Es ist also so immer noch, aber es ist ein Telltale-Game am Ende. Wäre es eh scheißegal gewesen. Ich behaupte, ich habe keine Ahnung, aber ich behaupte das jetzt einfach mal so. Es wäre genau so ausgegangen, egal wie wir gewählt hätten. Da bin ich mir ziemlich sicher oder so. Ja, dann maximiere mal mein Game of Thrones Erlebnis. Nö, ist schon in Ordnung, danke. Noch maximaler will ich es dann auch nicht haben. Wir machen mal einen kleinen Vorspann. Hier. Aha. Es wird wohl an der Mauer spielen oder so. Zumindest haben wir ja in der ersten Folge hier, der Norden wird das niemals vergessen, von Tyrion Lannister gesehen. Dann wird man wohl in Folge 2, also Episode 2, wie man ja im Vorspann gesehen hat, wahrscheinlich ganz zum Schluss sieht man ihn dann. Schwede, dass mich das jetzt doch so fertig macht. Ey, ich bin wieder voll im Game of Thrones Rausch. Es ist Wahnsinn. Es ist so wie wenn man, ich habe ja glaube ich schon mal erzählt, dass ich so die ersten beiden Staffeln gesehen habe, die damals auf Blu-ray oder DVD halt raus waren. Und die dritte gab's noch nicht. Ich weiß nicht, ob es die noch nicht gab oder ob sie noch nicht auf käuflich zu erwerben war, weiß ich nicht. Jedenfalls, deshalb habe ich ja die Bücher gelesen und du warst dann voll in so einem Game of Thrones Rausch. Das ist Wahnsinn. Egal. Ja, wie gesagt, okay. Kurze Folge, kurz und schmerzvoll, so wie man es mag von Game of Thrones. Das kurz nehme ich zurück, meistens ist es lang und schmerzvoll. Okay, wir sehen uns dann morgen zur ersten Folge von Episode 2. Ja, ich bin gespannt, wie es weitergeht. Dann bis morgen. Vala Morgulis. Super.